You know that feeling when you discover something so clever, you wonder how you ever lived without it. Your car spends more time with you than most people do, yet we treat it like a time capsule from 2015. Here are 10 gadgets that'll make you actually excited to get behind the wheel again. Number 10. Govee RGBIC LED Interior Lights. Ever notice how luxury cars have that ambient glow that makes even a trip to the grocery store feel like an event? That vibe isn't exclusive to six-figure vehicles anymore. The Govee RGBIC LED interior lights bring that premium atmosphere to any car, and they're not your cousin's cheap LED strips that flash one color at a time. The RGBIC technology means different sections can display different colors simultaneously, so you can have an actual rainbow flowing across your dashboard instead of everything turning the same shade of purple. The real party trick? Govee's smart app control syncs these lights to your music. Bass drops become light shows. Your morning commute playlist gets a visual upgrade. Installation is surprisingly simple. Peel, stick, and plug into your USB port. And yes, you can absolutely set them to a calm amber for those late night drives when you don't want to feel like you're in a nightclub on wheels. Number 9. Baseus 160-watt multi-port car charger. Your phone's at 8%. Your laptop died an hour ago, and your passenger just asked if they can charge their tablet. Most car USB ports deliver power like they're rationing electricity during a blackout. The Baseus 160-watt multi-port car charger changes that completely. This thing plugs into your 12-volt outlet and delivers a massive 160 watts across multiple ports, enough to charge a MacBook Pro at full speed while 2 iPhones juice up simultaneously. We're talking actual fast charging, not that trickle of power that barely keeps up with your GPS draining the battery. The build quality feels substantial too, with overcurrent protection and a cooling system that prevents overheating. It's the kind of upgrade you don't realize you desperately need until someone's work presentation is saved because their laptop didn't die 30 miles from the office. Number 8. 70 My Dash. Cam 4K Omni. You walk back to your car, and there's a fresh dent in the door. No note, no witnesses. And your dash cam? Useless. It was pointed at the empty space in front of you. The 70 My Dash Cam 4K Omni solves that frustrating problem. It's the first dash cam that can actually look around. The 360-degree rotating head uses AI to track suspicious movement while you're parked. So if someone's lingering too close to your driver's side, the Omni physically rotates to capture them in 4K clarity. During incidents, it can pivot to record the driver, passengers, or what's happening through the side windows. It's like having a security guard with perfect memory and the neck mobility of an owl. The AI is smart enough to distinguish between someone walking past and someone actually approaching your vehicle with questionable intent. Insurance claims become significantly less, he said, she said, when you've got footage from literally every angle. Number 7. Resqme Emergency Keychain Tool. Nobody thinks about worst-case scenarios until they're in one. The Resqme Emergency Keychain Tool is tiny, weighing less than your car key, but it houses 2 potentially life-saving features: a spring-loaded glass breaker and a protected blade designed specifically to slice through jammed seatbelts. If you ever go off a bridge, flip into a ditch, or end up submerged, those 3 seconds it takes to shatter a window with the Resqme could be the difference between panic and escape. The spring-loaded mechanism requires 0 strength. Just press it against the window corner, and it does the work. The blade is recessed so you won't accidentally cut yourself during normal use, but it'll tear through seatbelt webbing instantly when you need it to. First responders actually recommend keeping one attached to your keychain. It's the definition of hope you never need it, but you'll be grateful it's there. Number 6. Wolfbox G900 Smart Mirror Dash Cam. Raise your hand if you've ever had passengers or cargo completely block your rearview mirror. The Wolfbox G900 replaces your traditional mirror with a 12-inch 4K screen, showing a live feed from a rear-mounted camera. Suddenly, that pile of moving boxes, or your tall friend in the back seat, isn't a blind spot anymore. The G900's wide-angle lens gives you a better view than a mirror ever could. No more craning your neck or doing that weird shoulder check while reversing dance. It still functions as a regular mirror when the screen's off, so you're not losing anything. The clarity is genuinely impressive, even in low light conditions, thanks to the HDR sensor that adjusts to different lighting. Plus, it records everything, so it doubles as a dash cam for rear-end collision protection. The installation straps right over your existing mirror, no permanent modifications needed. Number 5. BLUETTI charger. One high-speed DC-DC charger. You're trying to work from your car between meetings. Your laptop's plugged into a portable power station, and it's charging at the speed of continental drift. The BLUETTI charger one changes the game completely. It's a high-speed alternator charger that pumps 560 watts directly from your car's alternator into portable power stations. Yes, 560 watts. Compare that to the pathetic 10 to 15 watts you get from a cigarette lighter, and you'll understand why this thing is blowing up in the overlanding and mobile work communities. You can fully recharge a decent-sized power station in under 2 hours of driving instead of waiting all day. The installation taps directly into your vehicle's electrical system, so you're harnessing power that would otherwise just exist. If you're running a mobile office, camping off-grid, or need to keep medical equipment powered during emergencies, this is the difference between making it work and actually having reliable power. It's basically turning your car into a rolling generator. Number 4. OBDeleven. That check engine light has been on for 3 weeks. The auto shop wants $120 just to tell you what's wrong. The OBDeleven is a pocket-sized diagnostic tool that plugs into your OBD2 port and turns your phone into a professional-grade scanner. Full diagnostics, error code reading, the ability to clear warning lights. But here's where OBDeleven gets fun. It can unlock hidden features already built into your car. Change your dashboard light colors. Enable needle sweep on startup. Adjust how long your headlights stay on after you park. The app interface is surprisingly intuitive, walking you through everything step by step so you don't accidentally mess anything up. Some features are manufacturer specific. It works particularly well with VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat vehicles. But even basic diagnostics alone pay for the device the first time you avoid an unnecessary shop visit. Number 3. NOCO Boost Plus GB40 Jump Starter. It's 11 p.m. Your car won't start. And the closest person who might help is 3 rows over, pretending not to see you. You don't need jumper cables and a good Samaritan anymore. The NOCO Boost plus GB40 fits in one hand, but delivers enough power to jumpstart a dead battery up to 20 times on a single charge. We're talking 1,000 amps of starting power, enough for gas engines up to 6 liters. No waiting for roadside assistance. No awkward flagging down strangers. Just clamp the GB40 on, start your car, and get moving. The foolproof design means you literally cannot connect it wrong. Reverse polarity protection prevents sparks and damage even if you mix up the cables. It's also a power bank with a USB port, so it doubles as emergency phone charging when you're stranded. The built-in LED flashlight has saved more than a few people fumbling around under their hood in the dark. Number 2. Fanttik X8 Apex Tire Inflator. The low tire pressure light comes on. You're 20 minutes from the nearest gas station with an air pump. The Fanttik X8 Apex is small enough for your glove box, but powerful enough to fully inflate a car tire in under 5 minutes. No more feeding quarters into broken gas station air machines. No more kneeling on dirty concrete. The X8 Apex has a built-in LED light for nighttime emergencies and doubles as a power bank for charging your phone. Preset your desired PSI on the digital display, attach it to the valve, and let it work. It stops automatically when it hits the target pressure, so there's zero guesswork involved. The rechargeable battery holds enough charge for multiple tires, and the quiet operation means you won't wake the neighborhood if you need to air up at 6 a.m. Keeping your tires properly inflated improves fuel economy and safety. The Fanttik just makes it actually convenient to maintain proper pressure. Number 1. Car and Driver Intellidash Pro. You love your car, You just wish it had the tech features that everything made after 2020 seems to have. The Car and Driver Intellidash Pro brings wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to any vehicle, regardless of age. It's a high-resolution screen that mounts to your dash and connects to your car's existing speakers through FM transmission, or AUX. Suddenly, your 2012 sedan has the same navigation, music streaming, and hands-free calling as a brand new model with the Intellidash Pro installed. No expensive head unit replacement that requires ripping apart your dashboard. No professional installation required. It's literally plug and play. The screen quality is sharp enough to read maps clearly in direct sunlight, and the touch response is far better than those laggy aftermarket head units from a few years ago. You get modern smartphone integration without trading in a car that runs perfectly fine. It's the upgrade that makes old cars feel new again.